Here is a wonderful 2023 Nissan Rogue. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in the spacious, well-equipped cabin. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, traction control. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.